Morning, YouTube. It is a cool Friday morning. What's the 14th? August 14th? We have had here in my little town, my area, 3 days worth of thunderstorms and rain. Everything is wet. I live in the desert. Everything is wet. And amazingly, I hope you can pick that up on camera, but there's a dusting of snow on top of that mountain. That's awesome. Can't wait. 56 degrees, I believe, when I come out here this morning. Yeah, got a little hoodie on. So got a few planes we're gonna fly today. Got the P-51 on a wonderful flying plane. And we'll do a little damage report, and then we're gonna fly the Dynam Cub again. So after that last little nose over, I got it home and cleaned it up, and I realized the motor was missing a screw and it had broken loose. So it was that's probably what we were seeing, the little wonky behavior on takeoff. So we got everything glued back up, tightened up. The springs for the tail wheel were off, so the tail wheel was just flopping again. So I got those secured, and we're gonna take it back up and fly it, just because. All right, put you up in my hat. It's already in and turned on. Get her down on the ground. We'll do a surface check. Left aileron, right aileron, up elevator down, left rudder, right rudder.
Takeoff flaps, landing flaps.
And flaps are working. Alright. We'll get you clipped up, and we will get her out there and get her lined up. Alright.
Throttle cut off.
I do have much more authority now. On my rudder on the ground for taxiing purposes, because those springs are tighter. Alright, no flaps on takeoff. Had to do a little weeding out on the runway this morning. Weeds are going crazy from all the rain. Alright, enough talking.
Time remaining 5 minutes. Takeoff flaps.
You really hear that Dynam motor this morning. Alright, let's go out here and see how she's going to land.
Landing flaps.
Power almost all the way back. Ooh, rudder worked, kept her out of the weeds.
Flaps up.
Let's check that rudder trim while we're at it. Yeah, I can go to the left a bit. Let's get her back up.
Takeoff flaps. Time remaining 3 minutes. Landing flaps.
Alrighty.
Flaps up.
I'm happy with that.
Throttle cut on.
Alright. Thanks for watching, folks. Look at that sun just up. Not even 60 degrees yet. I'm enjoying this. It's August. Thanks for watching.